Hi, everyone. I'm Gurvinder with Gurvy Travel. Gurvy Travel has been creating exclusive itineraries for over 7 years. 11 years ago, I was faced with the daunting, not to mention expensive task of finding summer camps for my kids. Well, instead, I organized an extended family vacation to the beautiful island of Turks and Caicos. What started out as a one time vacation actually turned out to be a well loved family tradition. My love for travel and desire to create unique and memorable escapes became the foundation of Gurvy Travel. There's definitely a value in utilizing a travel advisor, especially as evident as it's become during the recent turbulence in the travel industry. Gurvy Travel specializes in vacations to the beautiful islands of Turks and Caicos. And today I wanted to share some of the new protocols for travel authorizations and travel insurance, etc., with you. So once you book your vacation to the beautiful island of Turks and Caicos, you then want to visit the Turks and Caicos authorization website. And there's a very easy, as you can see here, PCR testing requirement for travel. So basically, follow the grid and you can't miss it. What day you're leaving is the day, and it will basically show you what day you need to take the test. So again, schedule your PCR COVID-19 test 5 days prior to your arrival on island. Take a look at the map, very easy to follow. So once you receive your negative COVID test results, as well as your travel insurance policy, you want to head over to the TCI Travel Authorization Portal again, and you want to enter your email address so that they can send you a one-time password. You then head over to your email box to retrieve your one-time password, which is usually instantaneous. Now go back to the portal and you want to enter your one-time password here where the arrow is and hit log in. And now you want to go through the protocols and everything that they're asking you upon authorization. So just make sure you have your passport numbers, your trip details, your negative COVID test results, as well as your travel insurance policy with you because they will need to be uploaded. Once you've completed your form, you will receive a little box like this that will say travel authorization application is completed. You now need to wait to receive the travel authorization certification, which will come to your email box. Be patient, it may take a few hours. Once you check your email box for the approval, you then want to go forward and print it out. Congratulations, you're on your way to the beautiful island of Turks and Caicos. Now you can start printing out all of your documents. Have your travel itinerary, your travel insurance policy, your travel authorization, including your negative COVID test results, ready for travels tomorrow. Enjoy your amazing trip to the beautiful island of Turks and Caicos. I guarantee it will not be your first and last trip. Enjoy. Let's get flying.